Good morning, guys. It's as you can see, it's July 15th. Yeah, it's July 15th, almost 8:50ish now. But the reason why I'm late to gym is I was training those two people, my new clients, Aba and Anupam. Their names. They both are a beautiful couple, and I just really feel good when I train with them. So it's like I try to spend a lot of time, and as a trainer, what I feel is I try to put few things in front of them so that I can test their abilities first thing, and so that I can place whatever obstacles I can just do it in front of them in the coming days. So I took a lot of time. I took them through a round of cardio as well as with a weight session. Weight session, I was, as they are beginners, completely beginners. Uh, so what I put them into is I put them into a little bit of what you can say as circuit training. Circuit training is something like a complete circuit followed by a continuous circuit. Is like a set of exercise which you just follow. You can also train those people, the beginners, with the functional training as well. Functional training and circuit training almost are related to each other, and now presently I'm putting them to a circuit training sessions for strength training. Once they are done, I'll put them to particular exercise like upper body, lower body, and then cardio or full body cardio. That is what the split everyone use. So even I try to use the same thing with the clients of mine, and so I took a lot of time with them today because they are on off tomorrow. They're going out of station, and that's the reason. And I just had my pre-workout. As today is Friday, I'll be hitting chest and back. Chest and back. Obviously, in half an hour, I'll not be able to do chest and back both because it's really difficult to work on two major muscles. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing only chest now. So evening, I'll try to manage my work and get back from office by around 6:30 or 7ish, and work 6:30 or 7 o'clock ish, and come and do a back. I'm feeling a little bit better in this way. The reason is I get to work on that muscle for a longer period. So it's like half an hour for the same muscle, so it's good. So I try to do a superset. Catch you soon. Hi guys, just a quick update on the workout which I'm doing. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be hitting only chest because I have only 30 minutes left for the gym to get closed. So I started with 5 minutes of treadmill. I do not run. I just do a steady state, just slow walking, 5 minutes. There is no reason behind that. The reason, only thing is we are not allowed to run on the treadmill. So apart from that, once that is done, I did proper stretching. Stretching is compulsory. I do incorporate pre and post workout. So post stretching, I did rotator cuff exercise with the dumbbells and with the cable, as I had mentioned, and it has been recorded in my previous videos as well. So after that, going on with the first exercise for the chest, it is flat bench chest press. So I'm trying to hit 55 kilos. I'll not increase it, so I'm planning to hit almost around 6 to 11. I hit the first set is complete, so I did almost 11 reps of the same thing. So I'll try to reach till 10, keeping the reps constant. I would say I'll go for 4 sets maximum, and then I'll move on to cable and obviously a fly movement. So I'll not be able to record videos, as you know the reason. So sorry, there's something on the lens. Okay. Yeah, I'll soon catch you with an update. Yeah. So guys, workout is complete now. It's 9:35ish. I was able to do 3 exercises for each of them. I'm exhausted for now. I did flat bench chest press using the bar, 4 sets of that, keeping the 55 kilos constant, and every time I was able to reach minimum of 7, so it's like a good thing for me. And I want to sit, man, and convey a few things. Yeah, and post that, it's like I did superset of incline dumbbell chest press with a butterfly chest fly, I would say. I did 3 sets of each of that, and at the end of the exercise I was trying to do abs, but it was like almost the gym was gonna close, so I just stopped it. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to do it. I'm not sure if tomorrow I'll be able to do a morning workout, because we guys from our company, my colleagues, my friends, in short my best friends, let's say, yeah, my best friends are planning to go on a trek to a nearby place which is Siangad. Probably, I'm not sure if we are decided yet, so I'll be able to record videos tomorrow if we are going there. Probably a whole day, a full day of that. And as tomorrow is arm day, and I'll be doing a little bit of cardio also if I'm trekking, so I'll obviously have my BCAAs, which is consumed through amino energies from Optimum Nutrition, and probably I'll carry up protein as well. So yeah, tomorrow's plan, probably we'll be going to trekking, and nothing much. Saturday, if I'm not going, I'll be able to hang out with my friends and do a proper arm workout, which is very crucial because that's my weaker point. Today it was really good working out with those 2 beautiful couples and myself, and I would really appreciate the presence of one of my friend who has just become my very good friend. Yatish is a really good guy. The reason is he never minds to help when I'm trying hard. Like, I would like to say one incident of it. When I was alone in the gym, and I was lifting a little bit heavy, like almost 55 kilos itself. Yeah, 55. So what happened is I was able to do only 4 to 5 reps of it, and I wanted to push to almost up to 8 reps, but I did not have that little bit of 10% of support, because of which I was not able to do. And that particular moment I saw 2 arms with the dead grip going like in front of on your face, like, yes, I'm there to help you. Like, thank you so much, man, for that. He's a really good guy, and I would surely record him and introduce to you guys as well soon. And that's it for now. Today, I don't know, I do not want to complain about not recording videos because it's become like a monotonous thing, but I would surely give an update. And soon I'm planning to record a full day of eating for you guys. My present intake is 325 carbs, 162 grams of protein, and 70 grams of fat. So 325 grams of carbs is too much for me, so that's the reason why I'm bulking a bit. And as you can see in my Instagram updates as well, if you have not yet followed, or if you have not started following me, please do. Links in the description box. And also I read a lot of posts on Facebook, so please do go to my Facebook page as well. I usually try not to do that typical topics, but I like to do a trending topics. Like recently what happened is one thing, it's like in India they use a lot of chemicals to puff up that bread, potassium bromate and iodate, that's what they say, which is a really harmful thing. I'm not sure if you guys are able to hear it, I'm really sorry for that, but yeah, close up, and I don't like close ups, but for you guys, yeah, just because you're not able to hear. Yeah, and please do land to my Facebook page. That's what I meant to say in short. And read all the notes which I have written. That is really useful, and most of the people doesn't give that as a update. I would say most of the people doesn't give as a trainer. So I am not into personal training, but I try to train those people who are actually in need. Like if someone wants to lose weight, and if someone wants to get back to their shape, just because they are at a high level of cholesterol and they are fed up of that being in the same state. So apart for the rest of the people, I just give tips, and my workout videos might be enough because I give a lot of knowledge as well through that. So that's it guys for now. Not tired as such because I just did 3 exercises, and still a lot of energy in me. I'm One update is I am planning to include cardio sessions soon. The reason is I want to train my legs. Simple. I want to give scope to my knees to bear that little bit of strain, and I am easily able to move my leg easily. That is it. Yeah, easily able to do it. But the thing is that I would say MCL, sorry for that, circular MCL, there might be a partial tear on any of the side, which might cause a lot of problems. So I'm not trying to put a lot of pressure on it, but yeah, I'm trying to train it. So I'll soon be able to include cardio sessions, at least 2 a week. And yeah, that's it for now. Today is Friday, and no partying, nothing. I quit liquor till my prep, and I've almost stopped eating junk. And yeah, that's it guys. One fine day he'll pay off. That is what you're supposed to remember in your life. One fine day your hard work and dedication will pay off. So if you got to see best of you, so put all your efforts in it. That's it for now. This is Avifit signing off. Please do watch other videos as well. Love you all. Stay fit. I just was planning for a tagline because it is Avifit. A tagline was ask yourself. I don't know how that would do. If you are watching the end of this video, please do comment down in the description box how it would actually make you feel with that Avifit logo, and at the bottom ask yourself or stay fit to inspire, something like that's the present tagline which I use. Stay fit and stay healthy, or stay fit to inspire. And if you think that ask yourself would actually be a better tagline, then please do comment on the description box. Thank you all for watching this video. Love you all. This is signing off, me, Raghu.